let's see how our replacements fit. Fits snug like a bug. Welcome back, everyone. It is Saturday, July 3rd, and I'm here today with some news for y'all. So basically, yeah, I'm just gonna say it. So on Thursday, I did my first oil change ever, which was on the Type S here. It went pretty well. I had a little bit of trouble getting the filter off, but that's normal. I was able to get it off. I went with a per liter Boss filter, and then we went with the Valvoline high mileage synthetic blend for the oil, and it went well. So yesterday was Friday, and basically, long story short, I wanted to see if the rattle coming from the car was coming from the cat heat shield. So basically, I wanted to get under the car yesterday and see if I could possibly get some hose clamps and fix the rattle in my car. So before I could even fully diagnose the cat heat shield issue, I was trying to jack up the car, which I normally do now with the floor jack, and then I put the jack stands and then some rims under it if I've got some rims. But so man, this just sucks more and more the more I think about it and the more I tell you guys. Well, y'all, I wish I had better news for you, but yeah, this is what we got. I was trying to place a piece of 2x4 on this jack, this floor jack yesterday, and I didn't have 2x4, so what did I do? Instead, I went with a piece of flooring that I thought had rubber on one side, but anyways, it slipped out and narrowly missed the trans here and popped a hole through the oil pan, the aluminum oil pan, and the baffle inside. So yeah, we've got to go ahead and take this out and get it ready for replacement. But first, we've got to drop part of the subframe. So we're going to get started on that. Alright, so I've gone ahead and broken that one back there next to the sway. And now here we're in the front, right? Yeah, we're in the front passenger side. I'm going to be breaking this one next. Sorry, phone. Undid the clips to the splash guard. Well, I broke the clips, so I'll be replacing those. So we are on the front passenger side. Alright, I think I'm able to bend the splash guard back just enough. I went ahead and loosened this one up. It's not removed, but it is loose enough for the mount to actually, the subframe is actually moving now. I can actually lift it. But, yeah. So, yeah. So, with that unscrewed, just need to remove these three right here. 1, 2, and 3. Need to go ahead and remove those, and then we'll be pretty much free. I got it supported on the jack already right here, so it is moving. There we go. Alright. Got it loosened up here. Got a nut on the other side. Alright, got this one out. Alright, we've got these two 14s out over here and over here. I'm going to start on these. I believe they're 10s. So, go ahead and do all these 10s. So it took some time, but I went ahead and got these 3 out. I'll show you where we are here. So there's the oil pan. 1, 2, 3. Those were kind of hard to get out. I don't have the angle tool to get that out, so it's kind of rough. But as we go into here, we're towards the front of the vehicle. So on the front side of the oil pan, I was able to get 1, 2, 3. Now I need to go ahead and get the rest of these out right here. And we should be free. Having a little trouble getting the oil pan out, but making progress. There we go. It's like a really sad puzzle that you never wanted to complete in the first place. I love puzzles, but I really wish I would have never had to do this. But oh man. And it punched this baffle plate, but thank God it did not break anything else. Anyways, so there we have it, folks. Lesson learned. Don't take shortcuts. If you're gonna use something to not mar your car, go ahead and buy those pucks they make specifically for floor jacks. I'll definitely be getting some. Somebody even said hockey pucks or 2x4s, but don't use flooring, y'all. Just don't do it. Stupid idea. Stupid idea. And as much fun as I had actually taking off the oil pan, I would have rather not have to do it in the first place. But anyways, it is 4th of July. I'm gonna go try to get some barbecue. Since we are here in Texas, you gotta have some barbecue, right? And it's not pouring rain outside, which is great because it has been raining a lot here. Right after I did the paint correction on the RSX, actually, it started raining. But anyways, I did order the new oil pan and a new baffle, y'all. So you're gonna be seeing that here as soon as possible. I have a big test coming up in the next couple weeks, but I'll try to make some time whenever it comes in. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get here, but I'll let y'all guess what oil pan we're gonna be putting in on the car. I went ahead and ordered some Honda Bond, so we'll be able to use that to make sure we have some new adhesive. And I think that's it, y'all. I really wanted to work on the door actuators, but you know what? It's part of the fun. Hey, don't make plans, right? I guess I keep hearing if you're working on cars, don't make any plans. So yeah, I guess we'll get around to them later, but I got lots of stuff still coming for y'all. So I hope y'all have a wonderful holiday weekend and happy 4th of July and have a great time with your friends and families. Take care and thanks for watching.